And tonight, communities across the state are trying to encourage people to get vaccinated, while at the same time debating if we need to roll back those mask mandates. WBZ's Zinnia Maldonado reports from Worcester, a city struggling to vaccinate certain groups.
We spoke to lawmakers here in Worcester who now tell us they're in the process of deciding if they'll make mask wearing indoors mandatory following the CDC's new COVID-19 data. Worcester is one of 7 counties throughout the state where transmission rates of COVID-19 are now considered substantial. 2 other counties, Barnstable and Nantucket, are considered high risk. The CDC recommends residents in all 9 counties wear masks indoors, even if you're fully vaccinated. And now city officials in Worcester say they may be making new changes.
Wearing masks when you're outside in crowded areas, it's important, and the consideration of whether we do it inside also is certainly on the table right now.
Restaurants in the city say they're keeping a close eye on if lawmakers decide to make mask wearing indoors mandatory once again.
We're not going to force anybody to. We're not going to, if someone's walking in, they don't have a mask. We're just kind of following what the state and the city are doing just to make sure that we're in line with them. We can stay open.
Worcester's Commissioner of Health and Human Services, Matilda Castile, says in addition to considering mandatory mask wearing, the city is still focusing on targeting the Black and Latino communities. Both groups have vaccination rates lower than 38%.
Going, whether it's churches or whether just doing pop-up clinics, we've been doing that.
In between playing with his daughter at East Park, Worcester resident Kevin Baker says he received his vaccine at the park's pop-up clinic to better his community.
I felt comfortable now, so I just got the 1 shot.
It may be Delta today, it may be something else in a month or so, and it just gets progressively worse. And we will never stop this pandemic unless we all get vaccinated.
Commissioner Castile says a decision on making mask wearing indoors mandatory could be made as early as this week. In Worcester, Zinnia Maldonado, WBZ News.